Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest and greatest in tech accessories. Today, we're talking about a must-have for all Amazfit Bip 3 and Bip 3 Pro users, the RCZ screen protector. This product is not just any screen protector, it's regarded as the best option available for your smartwatch. Now, let's dive into what makes this screen protector stand out. First off, the RCZ screen protector comes in a convenient 2-pack, which means you'll have a backup ready if you ever need it. It's designed specifically for the Amazfit Bip 3 and Bip 3 Pro, ensuring a perfect fit. You don't have to worry about any awkward sizing issues here. Installing the RCZ screen protector is a breeze. Start by cleaning your watch screen thoroughly to remove any dust or fingerprints. Next, peel off the sticker from the screen protector and align it carefully with your watch, starting from the crown side. Once you've positioned it correctly, press down gently to secure it in place. And just like that, you've got a fresh, clear shield protecting your device. The snap-on design allows you to skip the hassle of removing your watch straps, making installation quick and easy. But what's truly impressive about this screen protector is its durability. Made from high-quality polycarbonate and tempered glass, it offers full face coverage and protects your smartwatch from dust, scratches, and any potential damage. You'll appreciate the peace of mind knowing that your watch is safe during your daily activities. Plus, the touch sensitivity remains intact, so you can navigate your watch effortlessly. Whether you're hitting the gym,